So you've made the appointment with your dermatologist for your acne, and they've likely prescribed you an antibiotic, a benzoyl peroxide cream, or a face wash of some sort, and most likely Retin-A or Tretinoin, which is the generic name for Retin-A. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what Retin-A is and also how to safely use it so that you don't irritate your skin. Hi, I'm Amy Witters with Anointed Skin. I'm a licensed esthetician and skincare consultant, and this channel is all about how to take the best care of your skin. I upload videos weekly, so be sure to subscribe, and if you already have subscribed, welcome back. Also, be sure to check out the online store for the products that we offer, and if you decide to purchase, use promo code ANOINTED10 for 10% off your order. Retin-A or Tretinoin, it's literally the same thing, it's just a generic version, is commonly prescribed by dermatologists to treat acne. What it does is it increases your skin cell turnover so that healthier cells can come to the surface. It helps to reduce the inflammation with acne. It can improve skin clarity, tone, texture, and it also helps with hyperpigmentation that can be caused from acne as well. When you're first prescribed Retin-A, it's extremely important to start slowly. Even if your dermatologist recommends that you use it every day or every other day, if you start too quickly, too soon, you run the risk of damaging your moisture barrier in the skin, and this is gonna cause your skin to be red, burning, peeling, sensitive to anything that you put on it. So going slowly is definitely best when first using retinol. Because retinol is retinoic acid, it's a synthetic form of vitamin A, it's going to be stronger than the other retinols that you could get from your esthetician or even in a store. So the best thing to do is start out using it once a week. If you don't notice any irritation after using it once a week, you can bump it up to using it once every 3 days. But do not listen to anyone if they tell you to use it every night. Even every other day when you're first starting out, because it can be extremely irritating to the skin. I've definitely seen my fair share of clients in my treatment room who come to me, they tell me they've been prescribed it, their dermatologist told them to use it every day, and their skin is red, it's burning, it's irritated, it's flaking off, and they're uncomfortable. So it really is crucial that you use it once a week until you notice that your skin can tolerate using it every few days. Before we get into how to use Retin-A, I want to know from you, do you use Retin-A or some type of a retinol serum? And if you do, please be sure to leave please be sure to leave it in the comments below. Also, if you're getting value from this video or you just like me, please be sure to hit that like button as well. The most important thing to note before you use your Retin-A is to be sure you're only using it at night. It will make you more sun sensitive, so be sure to always wear an SPF throughout the day, which you should be doing anyways, right? Also be sure to tell your dermatologist what other products you're using to be sure they won't negatively interact with the use of retinol. Sometimes other products with sulfur or salicylic acid, even a vitamin C serum can be irritating to some people, so I advise using your vitamin C during the day while you're on Retin-A. Cleanse your face and make sure it's completely dry before the Retin-A. If you put it on immediately after cleansing and your skin is still damp, it can cause you to get more irritation. When applying the Retin-A, you only need a pea-size amount for your entire face. Please don't think more is better. Trust me, you'll regret it in a few days when your skin's peeling and burning. You can use a moisturizer afterward to prevent flaking and irritation as well. I usually don't, as it dilutes the strength of the retinol. I just make sure to load up on my moisturizer with SPF during the day and use a moisturizer at night on the days that I don't use my retinol cream. That's it, guys. You're ready to start using your Retin-A. I hope that this information was helpful to you. If you're interested in checking out another video, please click or tap the screen, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.